Okay, after many hours, I'd say about 3.5, 4, I am about 80% done. Okay, I've went ahead and crimped the edges of this so it'll fit around the back side of my heater core, and the fan just kind of sits in there by itself. Just need some duct tape to finish off that. Okay. Around these pipes, I drilled holes right in the side of the cooler here. Okay. I got my 12 volt DC 2 amp wires for my bilge pump coming out here. I got my copper wiring running down the side here. If I can get out of the light so you can see it. There's an insulated pipe right here, and I got 2 copper tubes running in there into the bottom. And for my Peltiers when they arrive, the paint can is cut in and glued in, and I will be siliconing that as well. I've got my in and out water pipes running into my pump here, and you can see it's sitting right on top of my paint can. There's that copper wire I was talking about that runs down the side out here and inside the paint can, and the water will fill up around the paint can and probably about 2 to 3 inches above the paint can. Probably 3. I think that bilge pump is probably about 3 inches, so maybe 3.5 inches above it. But all I need is a transformer, and I think that's about it. And testing phases will commence.